What's up, everybody? Devin up here in the back, and today I got Belkin's Boost Charge Pro 4-port GaN charger. So right off the back, it's saying this for laptops, tablet, and smartphones. So we're saying they can do all of that. So without further ado, I got goals today, you got goals today. Thanks for watching. Let's get it started.
I tell you I got my weed. I had a lot to achieve, but I didn't believe. Took it down, now you believe. Rather you leave, then you go back at my move. Don't put no packets on me. You gotta shoot them and leave. You know my dollar supreme. Popping in hours this week.
Alright, so here we are with Belkin's 108 power watt charger. Alright, so when you first open it up, you get Belkin's power adapter. And it already has some weight to it. And then next it comes with the big power cable. Looking at it from first glance, you have a 65 to 96 watt max port right here. The next, you have a 30 watt port right here. And then you have two USB 12 watt shares. So I think that's pretty cool. On the back, you just have the outlet. So with all things being said, you know, with this port, with the watt right here, it looks like you're able to charge a laptop, an iPad, and possibly whatever, or two phones here at the same time. Pretty powerful capabilities that it can do. Set aside for my personal, I give it a 10 out of 10. Like it is pretty portable. It looked like it's travel friendly. You know, it's just these two things you can set aside. Very small, big as my hand. Nice, but just me personally, I just wish it was a little more compact. You be the judge of it. I don't think it's too much of a bother. Like I said, setting my personal stuff aside, I give it a 10 out of 10. I think it's a nice product, and I say go ahead and get it. It did a pretty good job with the test. I didn't smell no issues, no burns. You know, that's the first thing I'm going for, you know what I'm saying? Listen, I'm putting my products on the line right here, but anyway. But no, Belkin did pretty good. They always do pretty good with their charging products. Some of their products, you know, they're pretty awesome. I always say check them out. Check out my previous videos on Belkin. They do pretty well, and I say check them out. So that being said, I got goals today. You got goals today. 10 out of 10. It's a dope pickup. Go get it.